Let's go behind the barn door and see mother sheep and their baby lambs.
My goodness. Mama sheep has her two little baby lambs. Hi, babies. Can you hear me? Can you say hi to the boys and girls? Here's one of them. Can you say hi to the boys and girls? Hi, baby. You're so cute. A little baby lamb, boys and girls. Here's another mother sheep with her little baby. A baby sheep is called a lamb, boys and girls. Look at that cutie. Are you a proud mama? Are you a proud mama? Yes, she is. This mother sheep needs to be sheared, huh? Do you see all that nice warm wool on her? There's a lot of wool. And this sheep over here has been sheared. See? They took her wool off. They shear them. Hi, Mama. You got two little babies, huh? Two little babies there. Good job. Little baby lambs. And this mother sheep, she has 3 babies. This sheep right here has been sheared. Her winter wool coat has been taken off.